Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely remove our tags plugin from Redmine 7.0.0 stable. Okay, so the Redmine 7 was actually released 1 month ago, so currently it is the very latest stable version, and currently we are in the middle of 2026, and this is going to happen on Linux Ubuntu 26.04. This is also the Linux Ubuntu from the current year, and this is an LTC, meaning that it is going to be supported and active a lot of years ahead. So in other words, it is a great operating system. Okay. So the first step that we need to do is just open our terminal of Linux and go to the directory of our Redmine. So please keep in mind that this path is my current Redmine. However, please double check in your case if you have installed it somewhere else in some different directory or path. So this could be, and most probably could be, different path in your case. So please double check this before you proceed with anything, okay? Good. So the first command that we need to execute is to just downgrade our database. This means that we're going to completely remove every database table that is related to tags plugin in our database. Okay, so this is going to happen with the command sudo bundle exec rake redmine plugins and name of the plugin, that is RedmineUP Tags, and version 0. This is the most important part of this command. So this is actually going to make the downgrade of the database, okay? And the last parameter is Rails and production, okay? Yeah, please also keep in mind that this is a single command in one row, but I have zoomed in this terminal for you to see it better. But yeah, this is just a single command. Okay, so we click enter and wait for the command to be executed. Okay, so we see we have tags and taggings reverting, reverted, and so on, reverting, reverted. This means that the database tables are being reverted and completely removed. Okay, so if you see these messages, this means that we have successfully executed the command and everything is fine now. Okay, so the next step that we need to do is to just remove the plugin folder itself, the tags plugin folder. So we need to change directory to plugins. It is located in the Redmine folder. So if we list now, we see the tags folder here. Okay, we could also check this out in the in our files system of Linux Ubuntu. So we go to the files and paste the path here. So this is our Redmine, this is the plugins folder, and we have tags plugin here. So we need to remove this folder, all right? So this is going to happen with the command sudo remove and RedmineUP tags. This argument here means, this is the removing argument, this argument here means that it is going to delete every inner folder into this main folder, all right? So if I have, for example, this folder and here one folder inside, and this folder inside we have 100 folders and so on, this is going to recursively delete everything. Okay, so I click enter, list again, and yeah, we see that we no more see the tags plugin folder. So everything is fine here. We have two folders and tags plugin is no more existing. So if we go to the file section, we see that it is also deleted from here. Okay, and there is one very last thing that we need to do, and it is about restarting our Redmine. So it also depends on your configuration of Redmine. For example, if you're using a Bitnami Redmine virtual machine, you can switch it off and switch it on, and also you could restart your server in general, and there are many other ways of restarting. But in my case, my specific example now, we're running Redmine into the terminal. So this has been started here, and yeah, it has proceeded here, and it is running. So if I close this terminal now, then my Redmine is going to be down. Let's go and check. I refresh and it is down. So I need to start the terminal again. Go to the directory of Redmine and start it again with this command. Okay, so we wait a little bit. So we refresh now again and it is up and running. So we see that our tags plugin is completely removed. We no more see it here in the plugins list. So we have successfully executed the steps and successfully removed it from Redmine 7.0.0 stable. Okay, so yeah, this was the video about uninstalling the tags plugin from Redmine 7, and if you like it, you could of course subscribe to our YouTube channel and share the video with your friends and colleagues. And if you have some questions or problems or just want to say hi to RedmineUp, then please drop a message to support@redmineup.com. We are going to help you anytime, as always, and yeah, this is going to be, yeah, it could happen if you wish. So thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and bye bye, see you in the next one.